Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a really nice healthy juice cleanse. We've got all these goodness over here: carrots, kale, spinach, grapes, lemon and apple. I have forgot the celery, and I know I've probably forgot some other things, but this is everything that I have in the fridge. So yeah guys, I'm going to make a really nice healthy juice cleanse because it is so good for you. I'm all about the nice juice cleanse. So yeah, it is my mum's birthday today, so yeah, we're going to have this today. And yeah guys, stay tuned on how I make a really nice healthy juice cleanse. So this is all done now, so it's a bit of a mess right now. So look at the goodness here guys. I'm going to give it a mix. If I just take this one out, it's just like a really nice rainbow. So if I just give it a mix, and there you go, you have this really nice healthy juice cleanse guys. How delish. It's got all the goodness, so good for you. So here is this goodness that I'm going to pour in. This just looks so healthy. Really good for you guys. So yeah guys, I want to show you all the skin from all the fruits and vegetables. Like, look at all that guys. Last time I had this, it usually filled up to there, but I only just made a few vegetables and fruits. So but yeah guys, that is everything that is in the box. And just look how nice this goodness is. Like, it's just so delicious. This is just so amazing. So yeah guys, full of carrots, spinach, kale. Definitely check out my blog post where I share so many ideas of juice cleanse. Definitely check it out guys. I really hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.